Welcome back. I was trying to make a soldering pot and this puppy started smoking pretty bad. See, boom, the whole frame, it started melting around here and cracking. I was thinking it was the Kepton tape. The Kepton tape, it was this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off of here. Okay. Yeah, look at that. I'm moving it a little closer now so you can see how cracked that is. So yeah, I want to scrape this off. Okay, I think everything is off. So, let's see how I can do this. We set this on top of there. But I don't know how much of the heat's going to transfer through this, so I need something else. And we can just set this right on top of here. For the most important part, the test. The pan is still 200 something. It's getting there though. So I'm getting a little smokage. Let me see where it's coming from. Okay, I see where it's coming from. This is touching. This is definitely. Let me unplug this for a second. Because I'm using 2 coils, I think it's getting hotter than what even this wire showed, and this heated wire showed, and because this is getting brown. It can't withstand the heat from 2 of these at the same time. So I'm going to stop being greedy. I'm going to get rid of one of them because it's getting really hot anyway. I just need to be more patient. Now this is cooled down some. I'm going to go ahead and remove one of these. And then I can always just, I guess, save it for another project or something. If I grip this tight, it's just because these things are using this almost on pretty good. There we go. Actually, that wasn't too bad. Because like I said, if you see how brown that is, that's what was smoking under it. Fortunately, I can flip it over to show you guys because I would have burned myself. But that, trust me, that's what was burning. That was one of the while I was getting smoked this in this video. What I'm trying to do is get anything unnecessary out of the way. Just 2 direct wires run into this puppy. There we go. All right. Now. Alright, bye-bye. Super simplified. Everything but what's necessary removed. I'm going to use this around the wires for just a little bit more extra protection, just in case those, I don't want those, try to protect those fibers a little more. I'm going to do this, see if it gives it just a little bit more here. Alright, now that we have this off there, so it's not going to get too hot, let's go ahead and shift this just right on top of the wood, and this on top of here. Alright, she is plugged in. We don't have an indicator light anymore, but I'm okay with that. And it's heating up already. So I'm going to go ahead and toss, this time I'm going to toss some solder in there, and we'll just see if it melts. I know I'm definitely going to get solder with no flux in it for this because, man, flux just smokes like crazy. But I will persevere through the smoke. See the temp. We're at 572 now. So it definitely works. Problem is how smoky flux is. Oh yeah, that's melting just fine. It's fantastic. Now I know this big piece won't melt as easily. Like, I'm gonna chop this up. It's too big. Let's see what temp it is. Where is that now? 698. I mean 598. But one. Is it the same temp on this side? A little hot over here. It's almost like the solder's cooling that side down or something. See if I can. I don't know why that side's cooler. I don't know. But 606. Alright folks, it definitely works. But this is something, before I start using it, I definitely want to get like some really like any type of fluxless solder where I don't get all this smoke, because it's all coming from like the flux, man. It's just cooking up real good. So like I said, I only spent a couple dollars for this from the Salvation Army. I had to remove a lot of stuff to keep the heat from damaging the wires and stuff, but it worked. It definitely worked. So if you want to make your own solder pot, go to Salvation Army, find yourself any type of like cheap cooking equipment, maybe a sandwich maker or something like that, something with nice deep holes like this. Say go with anything that doesn't have a flux core, because that's where all the smoke's coming from now. And especially if you're in an enclosed area, this be fine if I was working in the garage, but not right in like the studio. This area is too closed off to use. But I will be using this in my garage for some future projects, like just you know, main thing I want to use it for is salvaging components from old electronics. That is it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and have a great day.